Let's make magic chips.
Magic chips are crispy and tasty, with a bold, salty flavor from Magic Syrup panfish sauce.
Have at least 5 tablespoons of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of baking flour. Add 1 sachet of magic syrup. Pour it all. Now put few drops of fish sauce. Now put half cup of water. Mix. Add water gradually. Mix until it has this consistency. Mix. Set aside when it's done. Turn on the pan into a high heat. Heat up the oil. Put the magic chips batter. Turn it over after 2 minutes. Wait until golden, brown, and crisp. Magic chips is now ready to be eaten and serve. Magic chips are now ready to eat. They're super crispy, tasty, and packed with bold, savory flavor from the blend of magic syrup and fish sauce. Perfect for snack time or sharing with friends and family.